morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss the next topic of the chapter, Financial Management, Capital Structure Decision. What does it mean? It means the proportion of debt and equity used for financing the operations of the business. It is calculated as debt equity ratio, that is debt upon equity or debt upon debt plus equity. The proportion of debt in the total capital is known as financial leverage. As the financial leverage increases, the cost of funds declines because of the increased use of cheaper debt. But the financial risk increases. The impact of financial leverage can be discussed through EBIT-EPS analysis. EBIT-EPS analysis. EBIT means earning before interest and tax. EPS means earning per share. To know the impact of financial leverage, we will take three situations through an imaginary example. Let us take an example that EBIT, that is earning before interest and tax, is rupees 5 lakh. Total capital employed rupees 20 lakh. Rate of interest 10%. Rate of tax 30%. And we have to take three situations. Situation 1, there is no debt. Situation 2, debt is 5 lakh. Situation 3, debt is rupees 10 lakh. Now we will analyze this question with the help of these three situations. Situation 1, EBIT rupees 5 lakh. Total capital rupees 20 lakh. Divided into 2 lakh shares at the rate of rupees 10 each. Debt nil in the first situation. Rate of interest 10%. Tax 30%. Now, first, how to calculate? EBIT is 5 lakh less interest. Interest is calculated on debentures and there is no debentures, so interest is nil. This is EBT, earning before tax, 5 lakh less tax. Tax is 30%, so it is 1,50,000. 3,50,000. Now this is earning after tax. Now we have to calculate EPS, that is earning after tax upon number of equity shares or number of shares, that is 3,50,000 upon 2 lakh. Answer is 1.75. Next situation. Situation 2. EBIT rupees 5 lakh. Total capital 20 lakh. Divided into 1,50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 10, that is 15 lakh, and 5,000 debentures at the rate of rupees 100 each, that is rupees 5 lakh. This is 15 lakh and this is 5 lakh, total is 20 lakh. Debt rupees 5 lakh, interest 10%, tax 30%. Now EBIT 5 lakh, less interest 5 lakh, 10%, 50,000, 4 lakh 50,000, EBT is 4 lakh 50,000, less tax 30%, 1 lakh 35,000, 3,15,000. This is earning after tax. EPS is earning after tax upon number of shares, that is 3,15,000 upon 1,50,000. It is 2.1. Earning per share is 2.1. Now, situation 3. EBIT 5 lakh. Total capital 20 lakh. Divided into 1 lakh shares at the rate of rupees 10 each. And how many debentures? 1,000 debentures at the rate of rupees 10,000 debentures at the rate of rupees 100 each. Now the debt is 10 lakh. Interest is 10%. Tax is 30%. EBIT 5 lakh. Less interest 10 lakh 10%, 1 lakh, it is 4 lakh. This is your EBT, less tax, 30%, 1 lakh 20,000, it is 2 lakh 80,000. EPS is 2 lakh 80,000 divided by 1 lakh. It is 2.8. So in the situation 1, we have EPS 1.75. In situation 2, we have EPS 2.1. And in situation 3, we have EPS that is 2.8. Now, the conclusion from this is that shareholders are likely to gain with the debt component in the capital structure shareholders are likely to gain due to debt component in the capital employed, that is 1.75, 2.1 and 2.8. Why so? Because with higher debt, EPS increases, but it is up to a certain extent. Why? Because the cost of debt means the rate of interest is lower than the return on investment. Now, what is return on investment? Return on investment is EBIT upon total capital employed. Like in the previous example we have discussed, we have EBITs of 5 lakh, total capital employed is of 20 lakh into 100, it is 25%, and rate of interest is 10%. So, debt is beneficial for the firm. That is, if rate of interest is lower than return on investment, then shareholders will gain due to debt component in the total capital employed. So, is the concept clear to you? Thank you.